know, these awards were hotly contested. They are a recognition of really good work. But everyone who is here right now, who's been working at the Games Academy for the last however long you've been here for, first year, second year, third year, fourth year if you're a master's, if you're an IFY student, first year as well, you know, it's all the accumulation of that work. There's some amazing stuff out there, and it's been a real pleasure to be here and see all the amazing things. So give yourself all a round of applause first. Before we get launched into this, I want to do some thank yous. I really want to thank all the industry guests for giving up your time. Come to Cornwall if you're coming from up country. You know, it's been amazing to have you here, giving your time to do portfolio reviews, play the games, speak to our students. It's amazing to see you all here, and I just really want to extend my warmest thanks and the thanks from the Games Academy for being here. So thank you again. And just because of all the hard work, I really want to recognise the techs again for everything they've done. So another round of applause for the techs and Andy's team. This wouldn't be possible without them. Then we've got the staff as well. I want to acknowledge the staff. Been working hard over the years of the Games Academy to kind of make this all happen and come to this. So please thank the staff again. And just because I like to see you all clap hands, can you also just thank all the students again for making this what it is. Right. Okay, so before I get into the awards, the teams who do get announced as part of the awards, don't come up to the stage. Please stay behind at the end, preferably at the door at the end there to get your awards and things like that. Everyone else can go to the stannery and, you know, enjoy the sort of celebratory drinks we're having after this. So we're going to go through, first of all, the sort of awards per year. So first of all, do we do drum rolls? Can someone just give me a little, yeah. First off, we have Best First Year Game. Goes to Scrap R by Mums on Buses. Woo! Excellent. Right, now drum roll again. Best Second Year Game, Sugar Siege by Sweet Tooth Studios. Nice. Now we're getting into third year. Best third year game, Petal by This Way Up. Right. Now we're doing this again, everybody's feet and hands are getting sore as well. This is great. Best Masters game, Stretch and Squish by Plasma Institute. Right. Okay, so now we're getting to the awards that have been voted on by our industry colleagues. So thank you very much for taking the time to do that. Can we get an extra special drum roll for this one? Right, here we go, here we go. The industry award goes to Petal, This Way Up. Woo! Excellent. Excellent. Cool. I am not going to actually do drum rolls for this next lot. I'm just going to say them one at a time. The other thing we've got is staff awards. We've came up with a bunch of categories which have alliterations and all sorts. There was heavy debate upstairs, and I'm actually thinking that we might move our marking sessions to a semicircle around the whiteboard where we shout at each other. So the awards go to Bohemian Brilliance, Robros, Holistic Harmony, Space for Two. Aesthetic Ace goes to Petal. Fantastic Fiction, Wampus. Enterprising Excellence, Sugar Siege. And the final award, Bougie Booth, goes to Goblins Go Boom. And then finally, some honourable mentions, because we were nearly at each other's throats, so we had to put these in. Failware, Kleptonauts, A Day in the Life, Scrapper, Bite and Smite, and Ludus Mortis. A round of applause for all those honourable mentions. So, what we're going to now ask those to do who've got awards, you'll collect them now after the stream, just hang around. And I really want to thank you all again. So next up, if you're not getting an award or you're a guest, you can head up to the Stannery for some drinks. We're doing drinks reception from 5 to 10, is that correct, Andy? Yeah, networking event for 5 to 10. There's many options, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. There's some chill out spaces there as well, if anyone wants. And there's food as well. So again, I want to thank you for your time. And if you have an award, just hang out outside at the back. Okay, thank you very much and enjoy.